This case that I just got in the mail. It is so cute. It's a phone case wallet, and it is so cute. Has a Yorkie on the front. It also has one on the back. This was sent to me by PetByYou, and they have different designs that you can choose from. So if you're an animal lover, or if you have pets and you want to like show them off, you can totally show them off on your phone case. It's so cute. They have phone cases, they have shoes, backpacks, robes. They have different items that you can choose from with different designs. And this is actually my first time trying out a cell phone wallet case. I've never had one before, so I'm really excited to try this out. It does have 3 slots here, and then there's a pocket right here. You can put your bills or anything else. And I really like it. I like that there's a lot of room. Like, it's not too tight. So if I wanted to like put a lot of stuff in here, it would fit. It wouldn't be like too tight. And I like that it has the snap closure, so that everything, you know, stays in there and nothing falls out. And then it also has this wrist strap, which is just nice to have. So I really like it. I'm excited to try it out. And if you guys want to check out their website, I'm going to leave it in the description box. It is PetByYou.com. And I'm just excited to try this out, you guys, since I've never had one like this before. This is perfect for just like on the go. You know, I don't have to bring my wallet. I can just put everything right here. Another thing that I forgot to mention, which is really cool, is this actually slides up. So when you want to take a picture, all you have to do is slide the camera up, or slide your phone up, and you're able to take a picture. You don't have to take it out of the phone case. So I thought that was really neat.